Hello everyone, today I will be showing you a demo of very simple chatbot, and the use of this chatbot is to illustrate how to extract things like names from the user inputs when you don't know if a user enters the name or not. This idea basically came because one person wrote in comments asking, like, is it possible to extract the name of a person when he's writing a response to the chatbot? And I knew that it's possible to do that with the large language models, but I haven't actually done that, and I tried to do this functionality, and it seems fairly simple to do it. So we can run this test and we'll see how it works. As you see, our chatbot was able to extract the name, and I would like to know about your service that was his intention. We can look how this bot is built. So the greeting, nothing interesting in here. The input capture is just a simple capture, and all the, let's say, magic is happening in this process and extract. In here we have a set AI step, and here we use the last utterance, basically what we capture from customers' input, from users' input, and we write our prompt in a way so that the AI would know that we need to extract, that it needs to extract the name and intent from what the customer wrote. And if it is unable to extract anything or some part of it, it should use it as use an empty string for that part. And here we give even an example for it, like what we expect our customer to provide and what kind of a result we expect for it to give us. And we ask that it would extract all this information and give us a JSON, and we save this JSON into processed output. So there's nothing else happening in here. We don't even have any system prompt. I guess we could move part of this prompt into the system one, but it doesn't really matter. And in JavaScript, we parse this output to the JSON, and then we assign parts of it to the VoiceFlow variables, because in VoiceFlow you are unable to use objects. Like you cannot use JavaScript objects to do the outputs to the customer. So for that we created intent and name. And once the JavaScript successfully assigns the name and intent, we just go to a simple output step and we output the name and intent that were extracted. And in case we have any kind of error, we try to say to the user that please rephrase what you just wrote, and we direct him back to the capture input step. And one other thing that I like to do when I write these prompts and this functionality, I like to try the actual step, because then it shows me what the AI actually extracts. So in here we have, I would like to know about the services you provide, John Doe, DeSantis Jr., whatever. So let's generate, and we see that the output of the model, it gives us the JSON that we asked him to give. And we can also do things like we don't even provide the name, and we can test it how it works, and we see that, okay, so there were no name, but it was able to extract the intent. So it works quite well, I would say. And yeah, so that's a quite short tutorial on how to do that.